Welcome back. There are four data types in Python programming language and these are also called as collections. We will see each one of this in later session. When choosing a collection type, it is useful to understand the property of that type. Choosing the right type for a particular dataset could mean retention of meaning and it could mean an increase in efficiency or security. Python comes with lot of ready to use data types. Now we are going to see about list. In list we use square brackets to indicate it is a list. Let's see with the example. Here the list name is list and inside the square bracket I have given 4 values. Now I am going to print this list. Let's run and see the output. Hey, in the output screen, the list gets displayed within the square bracket, apple, pineapple and cherry and finally the banana. Now I want to print the specific value inside the list. So I am going to print list of 1. Here the index value of apple is 0 and pineapple is 1 and cherry is 2 and banana is 3. So now I am going to print list of 1. I hope you could guess the output. So when we run this, we could get the output as pineapple. So here in the list, the negative indexing is also available. So when we print the list with -1 and the output is banana. So here from going to left to right means the index of the apple is 0 and pineapple is 1, cherry is 2 and banana is 3. When coming from right to left, the index of the banana is -1, cherry is -2, pineapple is -3 and apple is -4. So print list of -4 and see the output. Here in the last value it is apple. Thanks for watching. Now we are going to see about the slicing operator in list. Now I want to print the list in some specific formats. If there are a lot number of values inside the list. So first I can fill the list. So okay, here the length of the list. I hope the length of the list is 6. So and now I'm going to print the length of the list. Okay. If we run this code and we get the length of the list as 6. So here the length of the list is 6. Next I'm going to slice this list. So okay, now run this and see the output. Okay, done. Here the index value of apple is 0, pineapple is 1, cherry is 2 and banana is 3, kiwi is 4 and mango is 5. In the line 3, print statement prints the list from 2 to 5 and the index position of 2 is cherry and then it gets incremented 2, 3, 4 and the last value 5 is not going to print and that is the syntax. So the index position of 2 is cherry and 3 is banana and 4 is kiwi and the position 5 will not get printed. If I want to print that fifth position also means Here I want to give the position as 6. Let's run and see the output. That's good, right? And the 5th position is mango is also gets printed. Okay. Let's see with another example. List colon 1 colon, and this means the list of 1 colon. So from the position of 1 onwards, the entire list is going to get printed. So in the position 1 means pineapple is in the index of 1. So after 1, all the words are going to get printed. That is pineapple, cherry, banana, kiwi, mango until the list ends. In the slicing operator also there is a negative indexing. So print list of -4 colon -1. Okay, now we get the output as cherry, banana and kiwi. Here the output from negative indexing is mango is -1, kiwi is -2 and banana is -3 and cherry is -4, pineapple is -5 and apple is -6. So -4, that is the position having cherry. So cherry is get printed, -3 banana and -2 kiwi, and -1th position is not get printed. If I give 0 in this position, then we will get mango also in the output screen. Okay, why I'm not getting? Yeah, that means in negative indexing 0 is not a correct value. So from the starting position is -4 colon and I'm not giving the ending position, means up to the last length it gets printed. So starting from -4 till the last position of the length, the output is get printed. Okay, next I am going to see about some manipulations in list. Okay, in this list I am going to search for a particular element. For example, now I am going to check whether cherry is available in the list or not. If single quotes cherry in list colon print yes, it is available. Okay, when I run this, we get the output as yes, it is available. If I give as strawberry and run this code, okay, we didn't get any output because we didn't mention any else statement here. Yes, we get the output as no, it is not available. Okay, next we want to add some more values to the list. That is, we want to insert some, we want to append. So the function name is append. List dot append strawberry. And finally I'm going to print list. Now just run it and see. And in the last position, strawberries get also added. Now I want to insert the word in a specific location. So for that I am using the function name insert in particular position 1, comma some other fruit names like Goa. Okay, why I'm getting error? Okay, and I hope you may understand what error I did. Okay, now the Goa is added in the first position. Okay, then we are going to see about the remove function. Now I want to remove some specific item from the list. So list dot remove banana. Let's run this and see the output. Okay, see in the last list the banana is not available. Hope you understand and thanks for watching. Now I am going to write a small program. The program must accept n integer files with the extension as a input. Now the program must print the number of files in each type of extension. The program must accept n files with a extension as an input. Now the program must print the number of files in each type of function. I give the sample input and output. So if the input is given as 5, then we should accept 5 types of file names with extension: it.java, csc.text file, then mech.java, then ec.c file, and finally endi.py, that is Python file. And the output should be displayed like this: 2 space dot java, 1 space dot text, and 1 space dot c. I hope you could understand this. Here the extension with Java is repeated 2 times. So in the output 2 Java files is mentioned, and the text files and the extension with the text is only one is available, that is csc.text. So 1.text, and the C file also mentioned only once, so 1.c, and finally 1 space dot py. Now I am going to give command line to all this. Okay, let's start with the program. Now I am going to get that 5 as a input. So int of input, enter a number of files to get, whatever you may like. Next I am going to get the 5 file names for I in range of n. This is my logic I am writing, and you may get many types of logic. So after seeing this video, you think in your own logic and how to write this program in Python. Okay, for I in range of n, s equal to input. I am getting that file name and storing in the variable s dot strip. The strip removes all the spaces in front of the string and in back of the string. There are some misplaced space values are there. So the strip function removes all the spaces in front of the string and in back of the string. Now I am going to create a variable called rev, that is reverse s of colon colon minus 1, and this colon colon minus 1 reverse the entire string dot split of. I already taught the split function. The split function splits the given file name into two kind wherever it sees the dot. When the interpreter see dot in the file name, it split the front and back. So the next line equal to rev of 0. Okay, let's run this and see the output. Rev. Enter a number of files to get, that is 3. For example, I am giving. So now it.java and it.java is get reversed. It is get reversed into ti and Java is get reversed into avaj. That is the colon colon minus 1 reverse the entire string, so that the Java is get comes to front and it goes back. And the split function dot the interpreter split the given it.java into two words with the Java in the index position 0 and it is in the index position 1. Now I am going to give csc dot text file. Enter. It is get printed as txt and esc. Now I am going to give make dot java, and this also gets printed in reversed manner. I hope you could understand this. Now I am going to get the first value, that is the first extension. I am not needed the file name, I need only the extensions. So rev of 0. In the 0th index I am having the extension, and in 1th position only I am having the file name. Now I want only the extension. So rev of 0, and I am storing this in some other variable. Now I am going to reverse that extension. So in rev of 0 I am having the extension in reversed manner. So I am going to reverse that. So if I print this and when I run this as true and it.java, okay, I get Java, and csc dot py I get as, sorry, I gave as comma, so that only csc comma py is get printed. I hope you can guess from this also. In csc comma py there is no dot, so the split function is not get worked here. Okay, let's move to the next line of the code. Now I am creating another list to append this E. I am appending all the extensions here in that list. Okay, next I'm going to do for I in S1 colon if, here I could give as S2, and in this if I not in S1, if I not in S1 means S1 dot append of I, print S1 dot, and this is the count function, comma end single quotes, and this end equal to single quotes makes the statement moves in a horizontal way. If we don't give the end statement means it goes to the next line. So print, in the last print statement I am going to write within double quotes space dot format of I. Okay, hope you understand this, and let's run this. Enter a number of files to get 3 java dot it dot java csc dot text and mech dot java. Okay, there is an error here. Why is this? It goes to infinite loop. Why is because in this program I am appending the e word into S2 list, and in the 25th line for I in S2 literally it becomes an error. Here I want to append it to S1 list, and here I want to check it as S1, and in this statement I check with S2. Now in the 18th and 19th line I created S1 and S2 as two lists with empty. Both the lists are empty right now. But in the 24th line I am appending all the E words into S1 list. So in 25th line for I in S1, the first word in S1, that is extension either Java or Java or C or Pi, anything it comes to I. And in 26th line it checks for if Java not in S2. Currently S2 is an empty list, so the condition gets satisfied. So S2 dot append of Java. I am appending the Java into the list S2. Print S1 dot count of I. Here the I contains Java and the count of Java is get counted from the list S1, and the statement ends with end equal to single quotes. If I give the end equal to single quotes only, the cursor waits in the same line horizontally. If I didn't give the end equal to single quotes means it goes to the next line, and in 29th line I give print double quotes inside space dot, and the space dot is given in the output format, so that only I gave like this, and dot curly braces format of I. Here I contains Java, so Java goes inside the curly braces. When we run this, okay, enter a number of files to get. I am entering as 5 and it dot java, and next as csc dot text, then mech dot java, and then ec dot c, and finally endi dot py, that is Python. Now I'm running, and hope you could see in the input I gave 2 Java extension files and 1 text file and 1 C file and 1 Python file. Hope you understand this program. If you have any doubts related to this program, please comment it. I will try to clear your doubts. Thanks for watching.